Hi boys and girls. So for today's reading lesson, we are going to be reading fiction books. Remember, fiction books are books that tell a story. So today I want to teach you that as readers read books with characters, it's really important for us to pay attention to how the characters feel. Okay, so here I have a chart with different character feelings, right? And as I go over this chart, I want to see you make these faces as well. So characters can feel happy, right? They can feel sad. They can feel surprised. They can feel angry. They could be worried, or they could be scared. Oh, like you don't even want to see anything, right? They can be excited. They can be annoyed. Or they can be confused, right? Okay, so I have this book called Monkey Skateboard, and here we have Monkey with little Teddy and Rabbit, okay? So as you're reading, I want you to pay attention to what the characters may be feeling, okay? Ready? All right, Monkey's Skateboard. Monkey's Skateboard. "Look at me," shouted Monkey. Monkey went up and down on his skateboard. "Little Teddy," shouted Monkey, "you can ride my skateboard." "No," said Little Teddy, "your skateboard is too big for me." So, we have some characters here. We have Monkey and Little Teddy. And in this part, Monkey is telling Teddy to go on his skateboard. But Little Teddy says Monkey's skateboard is too big for him. So now I'm thinking, what might Little Teddy be feeling right now? Maybe Little Teddy is scared because Monkey's skateboard is too big for him. You know what? I'm going to put that in a post-it here. Okay? I'm going to draw a scared face, and I'm going to write scared. Because that's probably how Little Teddy feels when Monkey is telling him to ride his skateboard, right? Okay, let's continue reading. "I can ride your skateboard," said Rabbit. "Look at Rabbit," shouted Monkey. "Come on, Little Teddy," said Monkey. "No," said Little Teddy, "I will stay here on my bike." So Monkey really wants Little Teddy to ride his skateboard, right? Monkey looked at his skateboard. He looked at Little Teddy's bike. Here we see Monkey's skateboard is big and Little Teddy's bike is small, right? Okay. "I can ride my skateboard on the path," said Monkey. "You can ride your bike on the path." "A race," said Little Teddy. Remember, I want you to keep thinking, what might be a character feeling? "Go," shouted Rabbit. Monkey and Little Teddy went up and down the path. "Here I come," shouted Little Teddy. So, I want you to think now, what might Little Teddy be feeling now? What can be a character feeling that I can put here? Oh, are you thinking happy? So why might Little Teddy be happy now? Right, maybe Little Teddy is happy now because he and Monkey and Rabbit, they're all playing together, right? So I'm going to put a post-it with a happy face that says happy, because that is exactly how Little Teddy is feeling now. So, boys and girls, as you are reading your fiction books, remember those are storybooks, and there are characters in your books. I want you to be thinking, what might the character be feeling? Right? You can think happy, sad, surprised, scared, worried, mad, confused. These are all great feelings that you might find in your books. Alright, I hope you guys have fun reading more books on Raz Kids.